Odebu governor Kenya ewe na deputy governor class K. Na ndinji ndemo karia yeria reri iko. Ndeyira kumenya githeke ndinji wakitia githari no kagita. No kagita namba. Yani gite very vulnerable. Bibi ekara ya bio step oke githeke ndinji. Githeke ya wazi. No ndodenda yote wanda iwa na mwakti wazi. Udeva naibu yake akti githeke ya waziri wa sport. Na inyago anziwa waziri wa michezo, demo chezo. Quando vou com essa beijada para que tem que serious. Então irai igual na aranja te choque não tem te tem na magro e tem medo então tô muito tem na mato tanto tio dele na então irai it was meant to create discord, to create disharmony, to create a wedge between or among the top organ of this government. And nakoko tokora morungu are tato yamite ona kani tema because the word of God tells me that when the enemy come in one way, they are dispersed in 7 ways. And also when they come like a flood, God always raises our standard.
Yes.
And so I will just encourage my deputy governor that don't be shaken by any passing wind. Don't be shaken by anything. You have my back, you have my support, you have my, availability. Ogetegeria kwenda gugwa tera to munta wasindano ya immunization yetherere o prepare tiu tegathere o koria murimo no ndu bombero tena murimo ko kuirua future infections, a future attack kwa Africa. You've gotten that vaccine today to prevent you any intended or would be infection tomorrow. So ibo ya kinya ibara munteresinda no genda menya mbedara ndere alata that kitikia deputy governor ketetia wande tiende kitikia deputy governor nende uwenta bure eta no mbedera oteipo na kitikia occupy.
And thank you for standing for me today. DJ Nemo? Asante, Your Excellency. I am very, very delighted, very humble and very grateful for your support.